Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're gonna prank our friends by a new haircut. Let's see. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today nakakatawanin ko. Sasabihin ko, just sikat a new haircut sa friends natin. Ciao. Pag may pangalan. Look, guys, diba? Ayan, look, tignan mo. Kala niya nila babae ako. Guys, ayun pala nila. Ito yung let's see what they react. Okay, good. Tago natin to para hindi nila yan na. No, I look like just a boy. Just got a new haircut, guys. But hindi, ayun na. Alam nila na sasabihin ko, I just got a new haircut. Tapos papakita ko yung buhok ko. Bro, you got no haircut. Saka nung nakaraan na ganun kami, ni AJ, best friends forever. Yan. Tapos, gawin natin content. Yan yung okay na guys. Okay na. Yes, okay na. Yung totoong haircut ko, kala yung human hair. Ayun lang pala. Ilagay ko lang. Teka lang, kukuhanin ko pa yung isa, guys. I know. Okay guys, nakuha ko na